Okay, just doing a quick demo here. It's very difficult to see. This is the Larson Electronics, I think it's 5 million Candlepower. Chrome magnetic mount spotlight. And I've got it mounted on the sedan, so we're going to turn the headlights on here. Parking lights, headlights. Okay, these are the stock headlights, and then there's the spotlight. I'm going to give you a comparison of what you're looking at with the power of this thing. Wow. It's got an extremely strong extremely strong magnetic mount. You can see right there. They make 24 volt versions of these, as well as 12 volt versions. It's got a toggle switch right here. So it's effectively the same as a police spotlight. And it is extremely bright, just in comparison to the vehicle headlights there. It's just blowing them away. Extremely bright light. And big standout spotlights because it's got that magnetic mount, so you can just leave it up out there, and it's waterproof. I know this because I've left it out in the rain several times. Yeah, I have a handheld, I think it's 1 million Candlepower light, and the Larson, there it is, sealed beam. You can see right there, LE, Larson Electronics, toggle switch. I mean, that thing is heavy freaking duty, and it's completely chromed out. They do make a an all black version of it, as well as a 24 volt version, like I said. It's for intended for military use. But I got the 12 volt version because I don't have a Humvee.